Hi guys, it's me Savvy. Today's video I'm talking about like payday loan and cash advances. Um, so it's a different kind of video. I usually do makeup videos on here, but I just thought since everybody's struggling right now, it's good to know what resources are like worth working with and which ones are not. So I was here to tell you my top two payday loan apps. So you have to have a bank account as like the first thing, and you have to have money going into a bank account, or else you can't do this. But they say they don't check your credit score. Mine's okay right now, but surprisingly, like it's not. It's like the low okay. So I don't know if they check it or not. They say they don't, so they shouldn't. But the first one I would suggest would be Dave. They've paid out the highest. They've paid out about $200 to me for a payday loan. And then the second one would be Earnin, because you get like $100 with that one. But Dave is the highest. Sorry guys, I'm still sick. And then maybe after that, Clio, they gave me $80. This is not all in one time. This is just me experimenting with payday loans and letting you guys know which one's the best, which one's the worst. So I didn't do this all at one time, just so you know. So I would not suggest you getting all the apps and doing it at one time, because then you'd owe your whole paycheck basically. But yeah, so yeah, Dave is the first one, then Earnin, then Clio, because Clio gave me 80. Credit Genie gives you about 40, so that one's probably like 4th or 5th. Bright gives you 50, so it would be Bright, then probably Bright, then Credit Genie. And then after that, there would be, what would be after that? Like Albert and Money Lion. So they gave me about $30, so really not that much. And then Float would be last, because Float only gave me 20, and so that's like the last one. So in all the orders, but yeah, so the highest ones would be Dave and Erden, I would say, would be your highest payout. So kind of depending on how much you need to borrow at the same time, of course. Then I would do those. I'm gonna link the Dave and the Erden link below in the description box, so that way if you do end up needing it as a resource, you can just click it and it will help me and it will help you. But yeah, as I said, all of us are struggling right now. Definitely, I work full-time or part-time, but like 5 days a week. And I'm still struggling. I'm a mom, if you guys don't know. And I could barely like afford rent and groceries and electricity. I mean, granted, I live somewhere where it's very expensive. That is not my choice. I have to live here for my daughter's dad and just like custody stuff. So it's not really my choice to live in an expensive place. Like, I wish I could move. I would love to live in Georgia and I would love to live in Tennessee, but obviously can't. So this is kind of, it's my childhood house, actually. You can see it in the background and behind me. So I'll probably end up living here probably forever. Like, I don't mind living here, obviously, but it's just, it is expensive. And yeah, so unfortunately, trying to afford all that, gas, groceries, all that. And I have a credit card that I have to pay because I've unfortunately am dumb and maxed it out. I do not suggest you do that. This is like a good way to do it without having a credit card. And you obviously pay it back right away. But it's a good way to not mess your credit up and borrow money. So I suggest these two sites. So as I said, in the description box, sorry it's a different video. Obviously, I don't usually talk about money and finances, but as I said, we're all struggling right now. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I know this video is random and weird, but there's a resource out there for everybody. So just in case somebody needs some extra help, here it is. Bye, guys.